If you're a print-on-demand or POD seller within the Etsy space, I'm going to show you a few really cool tools and ways that you can figure out what is currently trending in print-on-demand and predict what may be popular in the months to come. The first place that I'm going to go to find keywords that are trending in the POD space is with eRank's Monthly Trends tool. You can get to this tool by clicking Monthly Trends under the Trends tab on your left-hand navigation bar. Once the tool loads, you'll see the hottest trending keywords from the past month on Etsy. As the default, it shows all categories, but if we want to drill down to POD specific categories, we're going to use this middle drop-down menu that says categories. And we're going to scroll down past the standard Etsy categories until we hit POD. Now this will show embroidery, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, shirts, stickers, sweatshirts, and tote bags. Let's just stick with mugs for now. We're going to click mugs and the data will reload with the hottest keywords for the mugs category of POD for the past month. So as you can see, coffee mug was the #1 most searched for term for print-on-demand mugs. So in April of 2025, it had over 7,700 searches for it. Now you can go back in time with this, which is a really, really great way to see the seasonality for keywords. So for example, if I go to June from last year and I reload the data, you'll see there's things such as Father's Day mug, which is #4 for last year in June. Father's Day in the US is in June, so that makes sense. You could also go back, say let's go to October to look at some mugs. And we'll see, Christmas mugs, Halloween mugs, things that are seasonal for that time of the year are going to appear. This is a really great way for you to take a look at past data to plan ahead for the year to come. If you want to take your research off of eRank or Etsy, you can go directly to the print-on-demand provider you use and take a look at what their best-selling items are to get a sense of the types of items that are selling really well. So today we're going to look at Printify and Printull. So first we're going to look at Printify. So this is their page showing their best sellers. So if it's Printify's best sellers, it is also a seller's best sellers because POD sellers purchase these items from their print-on-demand provider. So as we can see, there's a lot of shirts and clothing here in Printify's best sellers, indicating that t-shirts and shirts with print-on-demand designs are still popular now. There's coffee mugs again, and there's some stickers on here as well. If we go to Printull and see what theirs are, we're going to see that they also have the coffee mugs and t-shirts, but they have a lot of baseball caps. So I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different baseball caps just within the first 3 rows of this search result page. So baseball caps seem to be really popular right now, which makes sense as summer is just around the corner. As you can see, there are a lot of different industries where you can make your mark and carve out your own niche in the POD Etsy space. We hope that this tutorial was helpful, and we at eRank look forward to helping you grow your Etsy shop and your business as a whole.